Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for salmon patties or salmon cakes. It is super easy, but yet it's delicious. Here I have 2 cans of pink salmon. I have 2 eggs. I will be using some onions, half of a lemon. I have some breadcrumbs, some red and green bell peppers, some cilantro, a little bit of flour, and for my seasonings, I will be using some seafood seasoning, some garlic pepper. I love me some garlic pepper. This is my new favorite. Instead of black pepper, I like to use garlic pepper, and some complete seasoning, garlic powder, and some chicken bouillon. Now let's get started. So first, we will begin by removing the bones and the skin from the salmon. As you know, in the can, there is, still the bones and the skin on the salmon. So what we'll do is remove that. Some people actually like this. If you like this in your salmon, you can go right ahead and just skip this step. And we will gently remove it. And you guys, before you do this, you want to drain the salmon thoroughly because they have, like liquid in there inside of the can. You want to drain that off. Then you proceed to gently removing the skin and the bones. Next, we'll go ahead and break the salmon up. You want to mash them up because you don't want large chunks of salmon inside of your patty. So you want to break this up well and make sure it's all even. Then we will go ahead and start adding the vegetables, the onions, the red and green bell peppers and stuff. Now, some people may saute their vegetables before they add it in, but I don't do that. I like to add mine raw because I actually like the little crunch inside of my patties. I don't like it, mushy and soggy, so I add it in raw. But if you like to saute yours first, you can go right ahead and do that. Then we will start seasoning the salmon by adding a little of all of the seasonings I mentioned, in the beginning. I will leave all the names of the seasoning in the description box. By the way, you only need to add like 1/4 of a teaspoon of each because if you over season this, it will become salty and you don't want that. Remember, the salmon in that can already has a little salt and flavor to it, so you don't need to over season the salmon. Next, I will add my breadcrumbs, my eggs, my lemon juice. Then lastly, I will add my cilantro. I will mix it all well. Then I will proceed to start forming my patties. Next, we'll go ahead and form the patties. I like forming mine into a round shape. You can form yours into whatever shape you like and whatever thickness you desire. Then we will flour the patties on both sides and just set them aside. Continue the process by doing this with each and every one of them until they're all done. This amount of salmon should give you about 6 patties. Now we'll head over to the stove and we will start frying the patties. Here I have my cast iron skillet preheating with a little bit of oil. You really don't need a lot of oil for this step. Just a little bit is fine. And I have my heat on medium. I will allow these to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now we will give them a little flip and we will allow them to cook evenly for about 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Now they are all done and we will remove them and repeat the same steps with the others until they are all finished. Look how lovely these salmon patties are, guys. They can go with almost anything. You pair this with some bread or a lovely side and it's amazing. Okay guys, so this is my delicious recipe for a salmon patty or salmon cakes. Some people even call it salmon croquettes. Now, if you guys enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will leave all the ingredients down in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!